Whew, almost out of breath, guy. But it's worth it. I mean, the view at the top is quite amazing. So worth the hike. So I can hop on the motorbike now, and then I will see you at the waterfall. Cheers. It's breakfast. Back to vlog with GoPro because camera's quite heavy. So got a long road trip today, and we'll see how it goes. See ya. So good afternoon, guys. So made it to the locations, and it's 11 a.m. in the mornings, and we left since 7th, so like 2 or 3 hours drive here. It's right now I'm at what we call Phnom Thaphain, and this is a beautiful mountain, and it's located let's say around 20 to 30 kilometers away from the city centers of Prairie province. Yeah, and so excited to be here. It's actually my first time, and let's explore this together. All right, see ya. Alright guys, so actually I climbed all the way from over there to here to here, and right now I'm actually at I'm actually behind the waterfall right now. It's really a great time, and I recommend you to pay a visit to this place. It's just 20 to 30 kilometers from the city centers of Prairie province. And yep, that's a wrap for today, folks. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.